Big welcome to you to this fine venue, the London Stadium. Martin Tyler here, along with Alan Smith. Premier League football for you very shortly. It's West Ham United against Manchester United.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Well, we've got a couple of teams here that their strengths are attacking, no doubt about it. So I'm sure they'll be going at each other very quickly.
Number 3, Aaron Creswell.
West Ham United's lineup is this. Lucas Fabianski plays in goal. Fabian Balbuena plays alongside Issa Diop in defence. And they're going to go with one striker up front.
Jack Wilshere. And number 10, Manuel Lanzini.
This is then the Manchester United lineup. David De Gea starts in goal. Harry Maguire starts alongside Victor Lindelof at the back. And they'll play with a sole striker. Associated Manchester United with a never-say-die spirit in terms of that 1999 Champions League final with those two late goals from Sheringham and Solskjaer to beat Bayern against all the odds.
Yeah, that never-say-die attitude became ingrained in the club's philosophy. Maybe they've moved away from it in recent years, but they will get back to it.
Great to get the game underway through West Ham's kickoff. Ale. Jack Wilshere. Challenge in sharp. Shaw. Maguire. Here's Shaw. He's made the interception. It's Jesse Lingard. Trying too hard, really, and losing the ball because of it. Maguire. Pogba. It's Jesse Lingard. Now Marcus Rashford. Sheer raw pace. Marcus Rashford. Quick into the tackle, and the result is going to be a throw. And another throw. Rice. Noble. Fredericks. Mark Noble. That's good passing, probing. That's given us offside.
He's one of those that loves to hang on the shoulder, and he'll hope eventually that flag will stay down. He's not slow, this lad, and he can afford to wait a bit longer. He'll beat that defender in a sprint.
Gives it away straight to the opposition. Rashford with the ball now. Goalkeeper can only parry it out. One of their better passers, and he's given it away here. Bit of space to go forward into with the ball. Blocked off the pass there. On the attack here. It's Lingard. That's a good block. Time to get the ball in. Only partially cleared, so there's still some problems for them. Excellent piece of blocking. Well, suddenly they could be on the counter-attack. Felipe Anderson. Noble. Jack Wilshere. Good defending. Here's Andreas Pereira. Here's Martial. Pogba. Pogba couldn't keep it. Felipe Anderson. Room for the cross. They've soaked up a lot of danger here, but it hasn't hurt them, and now they're on the ball. Just worried about the rain only, in that it's impairing a bit our visibility of the proceedings out there on the pitch.
Yeah, we're nice and dry up.
Good vision.
Not been the most entertaining, and it's been very even as the possession stats bear out. Will we get to see some goals, a bit more excitement from here on in?
Saw the direction of the pass. Manchester United putting this attack together well. And the interception is a vital one. Here's Martial. Room now out on the wing. In towards the far post. And he bangs it away. Trying to just up their play, West Ham, from this wide position. The referee lets them go on. Advantage played by him. The referee has blown and he's given the free kick.
He's normally good from these set plays, and his teammates are expecting a good ball in.
Really whipped in. Pushed out by the goalkeeper, but only into a dangerous area. And that shot's blocked very quickly. So it's half-time and we're still waiting for that first goal. Absolutely nothing between these two very good teams. But because they're so evenly matched, it hasn't quite been the spectacle, and maybe we predicted that.
Well, we were expecting it, but you've got to admire the two defences, Martin. They've been really organised. Some top-class work from those.
And setting the ball rolling for the second half, Manchester United. Giving it away under no pressure at all. It's Jesse Lingard. Pogba. Now Lingard. Now Marcus Rashford. Still on the lookout for that chance to open up the opposition. Jack Wilshere. He's made the interception. Now Lingard. Manchester United's change about to take place. Put through by Martial. Rashford with the ball now. Martial. Rashford! He's missed the target by quite a lot in the end. Manchester United want to make a change now. Rice. Lanzini. Rice. Halle. Now, can they make this count? Keeping the ball well in a... They could go in front here. That's a great finish for the first goal of the day. Replay confirming for us here that the goalkeeper did get a touch, but not strong enough to keep the ball out of his net.
Well, he is his own harshest critic, this lad, and he'll blame himself for that, I think, having got a touch.
West Ham are in the lead.
Number 19, Jack
And it's been
Wilshere.
an hour of very good football here. We've still got 30 more minutes to go, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy that as well. Rice. Jack Wilshere steered through. He's in. That's taken the heat out of the situation for the moment with that interception. Can go in from here. Haller! Out in front of goal. Comes out Lanzini. Goalkeeper out of position. And from close range, he really should have scored.
Well, he should. That was a golden opportunity spurned.
Pogba.
I think we've seen it. The visitors controlling possession. They're just not creating enough chances. They've been a little lethargic when they've got into the final third. They've got to liven up, be a bit more inventive.
Now he's got the ball. What's he going to do with it? Anthony Martial on the move and able to cut out the pass. Here's Martial. Now Marcus Rashford. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Rashford. On the attack here. He can't keep it on the pitch. It's gone out for a throw. Chasing the game here, Manchester United, in these closing minutes.
I don't think they expected to be in this position at this stage.
Pogba! Good stop by the goalkeeper. It's a terrific effort by the home side here. They've just kept their noses in front, and they're going to need all the support they can get for that to continue to the final whistle.
Yeah, if they do end up winning this, they will have their fans to thank because they've been terrific out there today.
That's good passing, probing. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Aaron Wan-Bissaka. Here's Andreas Pereira. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. 4 more minutes. And they're looking good when they get the ball out wide, as they've done here. Gives it away straight to the opposition.
Number 19.
He fancies his chances getting past these players. This should wrap it up. But they couldn't stop him the first time. They haven't stopped him the second time. And he's leading his team in the best possible way with 2 goals today. Just a word on the goal scorer. You have to get there to get the chance. And credit him for that.
Well, I think the keeper, you know, he's entitled to ask why his defenders didn't react as quickly as the goal scorer. He'd done his bit, he'd made the initial save.
Just widen the margin here to 2-0.
The referee has indicated there will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
It's finished now with the final whistle. It's a fine performance